Lost upon a nightmare, walking in a dream. Questions needing answers, I just don't know what it means. Talking to my shadow in a rush of suffocation. I can't take my contemplating, hate the reflection of me. When I leave my body, please burn the incense. Make sure that my soul can live through the sin. Happy daughters with a bad father don't make sense. All this work just to wonder how to get the next check. I hate to be the plate with less to feed. Indeed, the clouds are open for you and not me. I'm out of breath, I hope to be free. Take your step towards hope before me. A childhood cheating death ain't very sweet. All my demons under the carpet I still sweep. Trying to find where life in my heart is, it's been weeks. Lately it's been the fucking hardest to not weep. Thinking about all of this trauma in my sleep. Wish I would've died in that red car, mixing up sandbars with all these years of drinking at least. I'm so cheap. Where's all my guidance while committing every crime? Probably with my innocence I lost when I was 9. Probably why I can't look anybody in the eyes. Each time you say you love me, that shit hits me by surprise. I'm so used to being wanted, but also what they despise. Sighs and cries from the younger me inside. I'm motivated, my children will have the same life. I'm still paranoid from deuce that I smoked in junior high. I'm just waiting for the day it's safe to go outside. I'm just waiting for the day that it's safe to go outside. Second chance, if I belong to the trouble. Hit the lights, it's time to dance. Ask, can we see our children grow? And when they cry, we come close and hold hands. I'll be there in the morning. Tell this world we still have plans.
The rain.